Dollar Canadian dollar daily forecast April 6, FXEmpire.com. The dollar CAD pair fell after touching the parity level on Thursday, just as we had predicted. This pair is currently one of the most reliable ones in the sense that it has been so range-bound. Of course, with this being said, it's been a pair that's been controlled by the oil markets, which of course are being controlled by a lot of different forces at the moment. Parity level still looks strong, and it has this 200-day moving average just above it. And in fact, this should keep the pair down. As long as there's uncertainty in the Middle East on top of that, we will see a certain amount of a bid in the oil markets in general. This, of course, will help the Canadian dollar. The Canadian jobs report came out on Thursday as well, and it was a blowout number. 82,000 jobs, more than 8 times what was expected by some analysts. With this being said, the loonie was always going to gain against the dollar. However, the oil markets have been sliding, but there is a lot of uncertainty in that commodity, and more specifically the movement of it, transportation of it. So the fall has been a bit of a grind, keeping the loonie from falling in value too quickly. Below us, we have the 98, 97.50, and 97 levels that could be supportive. We don't see this pair falling too rapidly because of this. It's almost like it's simply too weak to rise rather than overly bearish. In a world where there's a lot of uncertainty, the dollar will always have at least some kind of a bid as well, so this will keep it from melting down as well. The pair has a long history of being choppy, so the simplest trade is almost always the best one as a filter for keeping the noise out in this market. Selling at rallies continues to be our play. Selling close or at the parity level certainly has worked out lately, and we will continue to do this. The buying of this pair isn't able to be done until we get above the 101 level, which we see as the top of resistance. Currently, we just trade this pair for short-term trades only.